everybody. I was asked a question this morning and I was thinking, I need to address this and tell everybody. Yes, you can use LipSense as eyeliner. So for those colors that you don't really like on your lips, like, oh my gosh, I put this one on this morning, Skyline, if you look on my Facebook page, you will see the picture. I don't look that great in that color, but some girls look amazing in it. It's not for everybody. Not every color's for everybody, but these three new Prism colors, the Skyline, which is a tealish, sort of aqua, gorgeous, deep blue, and then this one, which is Lilac Lacquer, and this one, which is Midnight Muse, which is a really dark midnight blue. They're all matte. They can be used as eyeliner instead of on the lips. If you don't like it on the lips, you can still use it. For instance, if you have green eyes, this color would look amazing as your eyeliner if you add something else like a dark brown or a black or an onyx, type of shadow, or smoke topaz, one of those shadows that we have. And if you add that with this, it would look stunning on green eyes. So I have brown eyes, and you always want to do opposite of your color. So in other words, I have brown, so I don't wear brown on my eyes necessarily because it doesn't pop the color of my eye. But if I use a contrasting color, it really pops my eye color, and that's what you want, is to pop your eye color. So I did Skyline on this eye. If you can see, I did Skyline on this eye, and I'm going to show you how to use it on this eye. I have to use my phone as a camera, so it might be a little difficult to do, but here it is. You shake it up. Now, what you do is you get a little teeny applicator like this, and if you're a SeneGence distributor, you know that you can get these in your back office. They are liner applicators, lip liner applicators. But if you want some and you're not a distributor, we can get them for you, and I can just sell you a bunch of them. They're really inexpensive, but they are so amazing for applicators. So what you do is you stick it in like this. Now, because LipSense has cosmetic grade alcohol to keep it bacteria free, because this tube lasts so long, you need to blow on the applicator and dissipate the cosmetic alcohol first, and then put it on your eye. So what I do, I hope I can do this and see what I'm doing. Then you just put it on. I can't really tell what I'm doing very well, but hopefully you can see it. And then I always go down under my eyelashes a little bit to tie the two colors in. Can you see that? Hopefully you can see that. I need to get my wing out here a little bit more, but I can't see to do it right now. But anyway, that's how you do it. And so you've got a little pop of color. It's really fun for spring and summer. And it stays on all day. It stays on until you take it off. So how do you take it off? All of our makeup is, you use Foops. Foops is a makeup remover that's specifically formulated for all SeneGence makeup, because all of our makeup stays on. Whether it's foundation, shadows, eyeliners, mascara, anything, it stays on all day. So you shake it because that activates it, and what it does, as soon as you put it on, what I do is I take a little round sponge that's flat, and I wet it, and then I put the Foops on, and then just gently go on my eyes and then on my face. What it does is it sort of loosens the bond of the makeup off your face, and then you can get it off, and then you rinse it off with warm water, and then you use your cleanser afterwards. So you should try this because it's super fun, and it's just a pop of color. So if you don't want to wear these on your lips or any other LipSense color, then try it on your eyes. And it's really fun for Halloween to make gorgeous, beautiful faces of all different kinds when you use LipSense, because it stays and doesn't smudge, just like all of our other makeup. Okay, hope this helps. Bye for now.